Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my Aldi's haul with you. Today we ended up spending $97 for all of this, and we're trying to change things in our diet, and so we went the healthy route for the most part. We grabbed primarily lots of fruit, I want to say. Maybe an equal amount of vegetables, but lots and lots of fruit and vegetables. So lots and lots of fruit that we will all enjoy. These raspberries here were $1.39. They're usually at least double that amount, so I grabbed those. We have some strawberries. These were $2.95. Some kiwi. My children love kiwi, and we haven't bought it for quite a while, so they're definitely going to be happy about these as well. This was $3.49. Some green grapes. They rang up for $4.10 for that big bag. We grabbed 2 bunches of bananas, and they totaled $1.91. The lettuce was 95 cents per head. You guys, we're still renovating, so I'm actually over in the corner on top of our freezer chest. But this here is something that we need to use at the edge of our backsplash, but it's just hanging out behind the freezer chest so that the kids don't hurt themselves on it. Yeah, we got 2 heads of iceberg lettuce, 95 cents each. A large crown, there's 2 of broccoli. These were $1.99 for the whole thing. We ended up grabbing 9 pounds of apples. My husband grabbed 2 bags, so 6 pounds of the pink lady apples originally. They are his favorite. And then we meant to put one back when we decided to grab some Granny Smith apples, and then we just didn't. I really don't know. But a little mix up, but that's okay. They will still all get eaten. Lots of good apples to have. The peppers, I think, were $2.69. Let me double check here. $2.69 per package. So 3 tricolor peppers, orange, red, and yellow for $2.69. And then, 3 more, so there's 6. And then some lemons for $3.69. We grabbed 4 cucumbers. They were 59 cents each. Not 59 cents, 55 cents each. I remember it was $2.10 for the cucumbers. So the mushrooms were $1.39, I think. I just had it and now I lost it again. $1.35 for the mushrooms. The grape tomatoes were $1.45 per package. And I have been using these daily for myself. And the children also love these tomatoes. So that is why I grabbed 3 packages this time around. Here's the receipt, you guys. I'm forgetting the prices. So the yellow onions were $1.49. The red onions were $1.79. We ended up buying 3 packages of zucchini. We will have some in salads. We will stir fry some of them. And we're also going to use some in our spiralizer. So I'm excited to use those. And carrots to snack on, they were $1.39. We bought some tomatoes on the vine as well. There were 5 in here, but we unfortunately noticed when we came home that one of them had been bruised and started growing mold. And then my husband took the other one for my omelets as well. I think that is it. Oh, that is not it. We have some celery back here. 2 things of celery. That was 95 cents each, I believe. 95 cents or no, 99 cents. The almond milk was $1.69. And then I grabbed a few different types of cheese. I grabbed some feta cheese. You may have seen my video the other day. I went to Wendy's and I had their harvest salad. It was like a harvest fruit salad. And they had feta cheese in that. It was really tasty. So I decided to buy some of that for the house. I grabbed this garlic and herb spreadable cheese wedges. I like to use these for the kids in their fun lunches sometimes. And it's been a little while. I think maybe like 4 or 5 weeks since I bought them these. So the feta was $1.89. These wedges were $1.29. The Colby cheese was $1.69. The cream cheese was 99 cents. I also grabbed some sliced sharp cheddar. This was $1.79. Some hummus. This was $1.89. I usually go for the sun-dried tomato or the garlic flavor, but they didn't have either. They had lots of other flavors, but flavors I haven't yet tried. So I just bought the classic style hummus. This is, I guess, a little splurge item to make a fun treat for the family. Some crescent rolls, and these were 89 cents. Put that over here. We've been enjoying lots of nuts lately, but I have not had almonds for a little while, so I decided to grab a bag of those, and I believe they were $4.69. Nope, $4.89. I bought some dates, and these were also $4.89. I'm going to try and possibly start incorporating these into our diet more frequently, but I don't know too many recipes that use dates, so if you have any good recipe ideas, let me know, please. I do plan on making some protein balls or bites. Not sure what we're going to be calling them, but I'm planning on chopping these up and throwing some of those into our protein bites. And then we have 2 dozen organic large brown eggs, and those were $2.99 per dozen. Some chicken breast. This was $10.57 for 5.5 pounds, 5.59 pounds. So lots of good chicken here. We will have lots of, not lots, but you know, a few meals, a few lunches and dinners out of that chicken there. That is everything, you guys. I made a little bit of a mess here, but I'm going to go ahead and put everything away in just a minute, so that is fine. That is it for today's video. I just wanted to show you how we are trying to improve our household with the food choices that we are making. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, everyone.